Flight 019, 2 mile northeast, turn left at 90, maintain 4.
Are you ready to go flying? I am too. Good morning, YouTube. It is, wow, my alarm literally just went off. It's early. I went to bed late, but I got my coffee. However, what we are flying today is pretty cool. We camped out last night on the airport, and our flight plan for the day is those guys, the Flatirons. So pretty dang cool. Chris is still sleeping, and you're just doing the one-legged dance here, I see. Sunrider slept very good, actually, like a rock. You probably cannot see it, but there's a whole grouping of hot air balloons taking off right over there, which is pretty darn cool.
Hey!
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing in here?
Paparazzi?
I literally was filming the stupid plane, and I had my coffee, and I was filming it like this, and I poured the coffee all literally poured it all over me as I'm like looking at the plane.
Dude, that thing took off like in no time. I mean, it just took off, right?
Yeah, he's right there. He's a tow plane.
Nice swap day.
It's actually really nice.
I noticed that it was just
Oh,
more power and
it's like art.
smoother. And I took the
Art through thrust.
off of my my other one, so it's all naked on my.
Sounds like Chris is dying in there. That's it. This is nice. I like your throttle setup too. It's like what's the word? Ergonomic. People are like, why do you bring your camper with you, even if it's only 20 minutes away? Because breakfast burritos freshly coming out of the oven and coffee that's ice cold, and you just look out your window and there's an airport. That's why. I have a weird trade deal with my dog. You're probably wondering, why is there a rock in my car? Speak of the devil, look at you. Oh no, he sees it. So he brings me rocks, and the exchange deal that him and I have is he gives me a rock, I give him a ball. He still has a ball, which is good, but I have to hide these rocks because he will carry them and treat them as balls, and that's bad for his teeth. So it's a good deal, isn't it, buddy? Oh man, nice little Piper Cub. It is early. Everybody's just out and about. Ah, that's a nice Cub. I absolutely love camping at an airport because you wake up to airplanes everywhere. So cool. There's a Delta Trek up there, Piper Cub there, tow plane towing for gliders just landed. But there is no wind, and I filled my freaking tank to the brim, which is good and bad. It's good because I get a lot of flight time. More gas means more flight time. Bad is when that windsock is doing nothing, and the wing that I'm flying on, which my coffee-stained proud Paramania pilot still to this day, even though they're not really making wings anymore, when my GTR is a brick on the ground, not a lot of lift efficiency, that means that I am going to be running for a very long time before I get airborne. So there's a trade-off for everything. More gas means more flight time. It also means that I have a lot more weight to carry on the ground, and I filled it up.
Probably did that one time. I did a foot drag, and I was like, "Fuck, I shouldn't do that."
I would fly that.
Yeah, of course Nate would.
It's a Minari.
I thought it was gonna be up here.
Minari means tough as bull in Hebrew.
Tough as bull.
All right, so plan is take off here, and we are gonna head right over to those pearly white mountains known as the Flatirons, which doesn't look like much from here, but when you're next to them, it's a pretty incredible sight. And that is in the hopes that Chris gets his nuts tightened, because if his nuts aren't tightened, then he doesn't fly, and he needs tight nuts.
No. I have a leaky head.
Oh, not a leaky head.
somewhere close to harmony. When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making come and fly away with me.
A few moments later.
It's about as loud as you
Womp,
in a vacuum.
womp,
Like right next to
womp.
the vacuum. Bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come?
So we apparently got a couple of complaints. Flat irons. Some rock climbers complained because we apparently higher than they were. We made more progress than they did, and then we got another complaint over here. So, but they're very cool. But they're actually very cool. They're very nice.
I love them on a gray area. That's nice.
We are a gray area.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
they can't really like, you know, they if they could, they would love to ride this ticket.
Yeah.
They can.
But you know, I would love to agitate
I know.
this sort of scenario. But honestly, if you get on the good side for them,
Yeah.
sometimes they stand up for you.
Yeah.
Lives.
Really?
Like by Rabbit Mountain all
Yes.
the time.
So barrel roll.
Is that you guys?
Completely inverted.
Oh. You think he's gonna like
Wait,
crash and
this
flip?
way
So
or
this, and I'll
sideways?
pull a brake toggle, and we'll just go
Okay.
completely.
Yeah, we get
up
fire
and up.
trucks show up all the time when we're doing like
Oh,
acro
yeah.
by the
People-
home field.
People think we're like.
Is everybody
crashing.
okay? We saw somebody go down. And I'm like, oh no, we just
Sometimes I'm like, you gotta
spiral
pay
down and
attention
then
to the
land.
road.
Alright guys.
What's the verdict?
We now have people that are calling the commissioners to complain. And that's going to be more work for us.
They call the commissioners?
They want to.
Oh no.
Anyway.
Okay.
So.
Did you tell them that we didn't do it?
Wow, so we got 3 rangers, 3 different counties. Well, Boulder,
2 boulders and
two,
a county.
2 boulders in a county.
He's like, you know, I really came here today. I really wanted to write you guys a ticket, but unfortunately, the only thing that I could maybe get you on is disorderly conduct, but I don't know
Disorderly
if I can prove it.
for foot dragging some mountains. So,
Oh my God.
but moral of the story is respect goes a long way. And they're driving off and we can still fly another day. And you didn't get a ticket.
All right.
I'd been too
Go
cool.
climb those trees.
Wow. But that was pretty cool flying though.
That was epic.
It was really good.
That was amazing.
It was actually,
So next time we fly completely new places and we get a whole new set of complaints.
and different gliders too. So,
Different glider,
yep.
different color wings.
You grow a mustache, I'll grow a beard.
Flying over the lady.
You can put somebody mask on it.
And that's that. That's this weekend's shenanigans with these guys.